must control your dopamine, the shocking truth behind cold showers. I mean, there's so much value in this podcast. I think it's like 4 hours long. Like, you get it. And the main issue that it helped me solve was my sleeping patterns. Considering that Andrew Huberman is a Stanford professor of, I think, neurobiology, like he knows about the body and so on, he really gave a lot of information about why we sleep late and wake up late. And based on the information, it really helped me fix my issue. Like, here is it. I'm sure you didn't come to this video for this, or if you're having issues with your sleep, just stick with me. Like, he mentioned 4 important things. If you're always sleeping late and waking up late, then as you're about to sleep, number 1, try and reduce the brightness into your eyes. You can change your phone to put the night filter on. I think that's what you call it, so that it can help you reduce the brightness from your phone. You can stay away from your phone hours to maybe 1 or 2 hours as you're going to bed. That's one. Try and take a hot shower in the night as you're going to sleep, because it cools your body, and if your body is cool, it's easier for you to fall asleep at that state. Another one is that you should always try to make your room conditioned to be cool. If you have AC, if you have fan, turn it on. But if your body is hot, it's very hard for you to sleep. Then the last one is you should reduce your caffeine intake. You shouldn't take coffee like from lunch till midnight, because if you take caffeine towards the end of the day, it can stop you from falling asleep. Now, this is if you want to sleep on time. Then if you want to wake up on time and stay awake without going back to sleep, then the first thing you should do if you wake up, you should get hydrated, expose yourself to sunlight. If the sun is not out yet, you can turn the light around the house to be very high, so that it can really wake you up. It sends signal into your body that it's day, that you should wake up. So these 2 things. Then if you want to take coffee, don't take it immediately after waking up. You should wait like 90 to 120 minutes. Then you can take the coffee, so that to avoid that crash that happens when you take coffee. When you take coffee very early, it keeps you up, but later on, even before it gets late, you just crash and you go back to sleep. So make sure you increase the time. Then the next thing that is very important is that you should take a cold shower. Yes, in the morning, as it is cold, take a cold shower. It wakes up your body and gives you that boost, so you won't go back to sleep. Now, these are the tips. These are some of the information that I got from the video. And if you try to implement these things, to really help you sleep early and wake up early.